Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I normally only upload on Mondays, but I thought I would give you guys some bonus cleaning motivation this week, and I hope this encourages you and helps you tackle some spaces in your house today. This video will probably also be super chatty, so I hope you guys like chatty cleaning videos. I just felt like I had a lot to say about today's video, but in my last video I shared what were some good reasons to make your bed, and they were: number 1, feeling of accomplishment, increased productivity, reduces stress levels, your room will instantly look cleaner, and developing good habits. And I thought those were some great examples of how I feel after my bed is made. I just feel like I can accomplish more after my bed is made. It just improves my mood and gives me more motivation to tackle the rest of the room.
Told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is fine. I know this is so delusional. I have lost my grip, but I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out there, you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I'm recklessly drawn to you somehow, but you leave me with this rush.
My blinds and windows needed to be cleaned so badly. I don't even want to tell you the last time they were cleaned because it is so embarrassing.
So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me.
So I wanted to get my son's bed made for the day. His bedroom is where the kids play the most together, especially over at his Lego table. I straighten up the table almost every single day, but it always turns into a big mess. But it keeps them busy, and they are both obsessed with playing Legos. And I also wanted to dust his dresser and straighten it up a bit because it can tend to get cluttered with just a bunch of random things.
Like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
she came from kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile.
Ever since I have been working from home, I try to do at least one load of laundry a day. I used to do all of my laundry on the weekend, and it used to be too hard on me just trying to get it all done. So doing even one load a day has taken so much stress off of me on the weekends.
And when she's gonna miss her so, I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
I needed to do a quick tidy up in the kitchen. My husband had made dinner late last night when he got off of work, so I just needed to wipe down the stove and the counters. And something I have always done is tidy up my house every single evening after work, even if it's only for 30 minutes, whether it be doing the dishes, vacuuming a few rooms, putting toys away, wiping down my counters, whatever it is, it just makes it easier on me on the weekends just so I don't have as much to do, and then I can focus on a deeper clean on the weekends.
I wanna spend the night with her, bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me, then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high.
So I just wanted to share my latest plant obsession. I'm not really sure why, but I've never really been into plants or flowers. You know, I get them for Valentine's Day or an anniversary and they're beautiful and I love them, that's fine, but I've never been into plants or cared for flowers in my house. But just here recently, over the whole thing we're going through with the quarantine, having to stay inside, I've really been into plants. So I just wanted to show you guys this one. I think she said it's called a peperomia plant, but it's just so cool looking. I just wanted to show you guys. And then this pot, I cannot get over how cute this pot is. It was actually separate, so I picked out, this was on the shelf, and then I picked the plant to go in it that I thought would look cute. So I got that one. And then I also got this one over here. I'm not really sure what this is called, but it didn't look like this until like 2 days after I brought it home. And it's got like, it looks like something's been eating on it, but I'm pretty sure nothing has been up here. So I sent her a picture through their Facebook page, and she said, bring it in and I'll change it. So she said she was gonna change it out for me. And then this little pot right here, super cute. This also was not in it. I picked this out, and then I picked these out. I'm not sure what that's called, but I thought it was really pretty, but something is going on right here. And then over here on that side also, but they're so cute and I am in love.
To think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new and like seeing these types of videos. I hope I was able to give you a little bit of midweek motivation, and I will see you next time.
I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure.